Well, these are actually bi-fuel, so they're gasoline and propane. So they run on gasoline, they switch over to propane seamlessly. Drivers don't even know they do it. So it's a gasoline engine. It's absolutely no different than what it rolls off the assembly line as a Ford 6.8 V10. It's just got a propane injection system added onto it that replaces the fuel system. The fuel economy is virtually the same between gasoline and propane, but the cost of propane per gallon versus the cost of gasoline per gallon is much more stable, and it is cheaper. The diesel services do tend to be a little more expensive. They're a little more involved. The diesel engines usually have a higher oil capacity, so you get a little bit more added cost to that. The actual propane system, just like the gasoline system on there, there's virtually no routine maintenance to it. They notice essentially no difference between a gasoline or a propane bus.